Jordan David, BBC Wales Today, Cardiff Chronicle.
In the past half hour, police have charged 20-year-old Andrew Saunders from Castleton in Newport with the murders of two people in the Cardiff city centre. 21-year-old Saunders and 3-year-old Simmons were found stabbed to death on Queen Street early yesterday morning. Zoe's family have described her as a beautiful daughter, sister, granddaughter and auntie who had a heart of gold and would do anything for anybody. Floral tributes have been left at the Matalan store where they both worked. Friends have set up a GoFundMe page to raise money for the funerals.
It was quite quiet, kept himself to himself. Lady Gemma and Guy were my peers of play. And I only seen them last week as a couple. Seen a few months ago where they'd put on Facebook, they were in a relationship which I just thought was lovely. And she was his twin kebab. It was just so sweet. It was so nice to actually see him, happy.
Stabbed in the middle of his doorstep in March has been jailed for a minimum of 20 years. Stephen Pike from Ely denied murder, claiming he was acting in self-defence. 39-year-old father of 5, Colonel Sims, allegedly woken Mr Pike by kicking his front door, but was stabbed in the chest as soon as the door was answered. A 24-year-old kayaker who died following an incident on a river near Bethgellet in Snowdonia has been named as Thomas Lloyd from Whittington in Staffordshire. The Bangor University student was reported missing on Tuesday afternoon. His body was recovered yesterday following a major search operation. He's been described as an experienced outdoor pursuits enthusiast. Celebrations are taking place tonight to mark the success of Team GB's Welsh athletes at the Rio Olympic and Paralympic Games. They won a record 10 Olympic medals. Welsh Paralympians won 7. Well, tonight they're gathering at a special ceremony at the Senate, and Thomas is there for us. Thomas.
Well, Lucy, the sunshine of Copacabana Beach is a world away from Cardiff Day tonight. On this cold, crisp September evening, fans have come out to welcome back their heroes. I've got to say, the crowds are not as impressive as organisers would have hoped, but they're here to welcome their heroes. The Welsh athletes were welcomed by the First Minister inside the Senate earlier today, and then they were welcomed onto the stage one by one so the crowd could show their appreciation. And make no mistake, this summer our athletes broke records and brought home more medals than ever before. It was an unforgettable summer of sport. Rio lit up the games, and with a backdrop of colour and music, our athletes didn't disappoint either. The medals kept coming. 10 in all for Team GB's Welsh Olympians, surpassing the 7 won in London. So tonight, a chance to meet our sporting heroes and get close to those medals. Between them, cyclist Becky James and sailor Hannah Mills returned home with 2 silvers and a gold. Years of hard work and sacrifice paid off.
8 Olympics, 4 years